Dear student, how are you? Hopefully you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Alhamdulillah, I have also a special thanks for the class 8 student who joined receiving, watching and enjoy our class. Dear student, you know that last year I accompanied with senior teacher Israel Alam went to visit Darjeeling. This area is the tribal people. Most of the people are very industrious. When I visit with my friend, my colleague Israel Alam, I visit a Buddhist temple, Japan temple. When I appear, I saw that a religious function of Buddhists have occurred. I took part some time of that occasion. Dear student, you know 2004, about 16 years ago, I also visit the Kuakata. In that place, I visit a Buddhist silver temple and silver attitude, and I saw there is a tribal people whose name is Rakhine. They said us, at first we live in Mogbazar area, capital city of Dhaka. The government sent us in this jungle area. I visited many things. In 2016, I accompanied with my madam, Kanis madam, went to Rangamati, Chittagong Hill Tax area, especially Bandarbon, Khagrasari. I visited many tribal people. So, dear student, do you know or have you stood what is our caption, what is our headline, and what is our lesson? Of course, you know our lesson is the ethnic people. The ethnic people. The ethnic people. Dear student, ethnic is an English word. This word is derived from the Latin word ethnicus. Latin word ethnicus. That means tribal people. All over the world, there are many ethnic people live of that country. Our neighboring country, India, there are many ethnic people, hundreds and hundreds. So, especially they live in Assam, Tripura, Mizoram, Nagaland. Dear student, in our country, there are many ethnic people, especially in Rangamati, Bandarbon, Khagrasari. Besides this, they live in Rajshahi, Dinajpur, Rangpur, and Sylhet, and Mymensingh. Dear student, in our Satkhira district, deep forest Sundarban has a ethnic people. This group name is Pangan, that means Mandarin. Sib is near. Dear student, these ethnic people are very industrious. These people are very fascinating. They are very truthful. They are very cordial, and they are very active. Dear student, you know that in Rangamati, a large group of ethnic people named Chakma. They are about the 2 lakh people live in this district. You know that this ethnic people came from Tibet about 14,000 years ago. But another Tripura, Rakhine, another group of ethnic people came Assam, Mizoram, Arunachal, this neighboring state. So note that they have a special dialect, they have distinctive languages, and they have a special status. They are different from our mainstream. Their activity prove that they are very different. Suppose we speak in Bangla, but they speak in mother tongue of their Tibetan language. When they speak at home, they speak in mother tongue. Their student in our Chittagong Hill Tracts area is the most ethnic people group lived. They are very conscious about their dress, about their culture, and about their tradition. The ethnic people is the maternal. Their family are based on maternal. Mother is the head of their family. And these women are very active, is very industrious and more hardworking than men or male. They are student. When ethnic people fell in trouble, they follow the ladder which society or community under the law. They are student. You know that most of the ethnic people are farmer. They practice cultivation Zoom or Zoom cultivation. What is Zoom cultivation? Zoom cultivation means at first they clear the land and then prepare for it, and last time they sow the seeds. It is the Zoom cultivation. Dear student, you know that most of the girl of ethnic people wear their own cloth. Ethnic woman wears sari, blouse, engage, sarong, any other thing. Most of the ethnic people are very active. They are students, they are very conscious about their religion. Buddhists are the main group of ethnic people. Rest of Hindu, Christian and Amnites. So they have a special status. They have a special dialect. They have a special routine. Their rites, ritual and everyday life we see. Dear student, you know that the men is very fond of hunting, fishing and wrestling. They went on a long way on hunting and they hunt a big fish, big bird. So they are student. They pass their time with practice lifestyle such as they pass their time in relaxing. They took part in dance, theatre, fair and any other thing. They made their own cultural material thing such as bugle. This bugle is made of buffalo's horn. They use a special earthen pot. They use a special bamboo or wooden thing. The ethnic people made their house with a platform. This platform is made of bamboo or wooden. Besides this, they made their houses corrugated tin. So there are many capacity to live in the jungle or hill area. Under the platform, or this platform is called, another name is macha. Under the macha they keep their utensil, materials, tools and pet animal. Dear student, you know that the people of are very cordial. When I visit Rangamati, I talked with a monk who received the rangta cloth, that means a red cloth. He said, my life is sacrificed for this way. So he did not come back in house. Dear student, you know that fishing is their another occupation, wrestling is their another occupation. They eat many things. Rice is their staple food. Beside it, they eat vegetable, corn, white, fish, meat, honey, egg, etc. Dear student, there are favorite food of bamboo coral. What is bamboo coral? The bamboo coral is that the green bamboo cut into small pieces and then kept in a tube pot 7 or 10 days and then dry in the sun and prepare for the food. Dear student, you know that most of the ethnic people are very active. I visit the Darjeeling. I saw that they carry their basket with their bag, and this bag is about 16 or 100 kg. So I saw that when I appear or I walk in front of the hill area, this is very difficult, but they carry their bag with their bag on the back, so they are very active. They are student, you know that they are very religious. They celebrate their Vaishakhi Purnima, Maghi Purnima and Vaishakhi. So this is their another cultural, another tradition and another religious festival. Dear student, hopefully you will understand the text of this ethnic people. So let us our learning outcome. Our learning outcome is what meaning? I will give you the synonym and another meaning, and then WH question, and last finishing I will toss A column, B column and C column, that means matching table. Dear student, let us go to the first session. Dear student, the first word is ethnic. A part of people or a group of people live in a same place and a society who are in a law, that means racial, region, that means territory, a suitable place for the people are living, or a particular zone, that means a region, majority, a larger part of something, that means most of them, or most, mass, etc. Shifting, always changing and always movable, always changing and movable. Rural, that is related to villages, that means rustic, that means rustic. Practice, to do something regularly, that means exercise, that means exercise. Clear, to remove something from a place, that means clean. Prepare, to make something for use, that means produce. Characteristics, that means feature, that means feature. communities. A group of people live in a place under a society or a community law. That means society. Maize, one kind of crop, or corn, poultry, domestic bird that keeps of the people for egg and meat. Staple, main or base, that means prime. Bugle, a brass musical instrument. This bugle is made from the buffalo horn. Pastime, relax, that means recreation. Relax time, leisure period is a pastime. Dear student, again I repeat it. Ethnic, racial, region, territory, majority, mass, shifting, movable, rural, rustic, practice, exercise, clear, clean, prepare, produce. Characteristics, feature, communities, societies, maize, corn, poultry, domestic bird, staple, prime, bugle, a brass musical instrument, pastime, recreation. Dear student, you must write down on your khata which I deliver a synonym, that means odd meaning. Dear student, we go to the second option. Our second option, WH question, and you will practice it. You will make a paragraph or you will make a dialogue. So you will practice with me. Dear student, the first question, where do the ethnic people build their house? The ethnic people build their house on a platform. This platform is made of bamboo or wooden. Bamboo or wooden. Suppose this is a platform. Under the platform they keep their utensil or machinery tools or pet animal. This is a platform. Dear student, besides this, they made their house with corrugated tin. What are their favorite pastime? Their favorite pastime is fishing and hunting. Fishing and hunting. You write down fishing and hunting. Another option, wrestling. Their main favorite pastime. Besides this pastime, they took part in song, theatre, fair, any other thing. What is bugle? Dear student, a bugle is a instrument. This instrument are the traditional instrument. This instrument are made of buffalo's horn. Buffalo's horn. That means buffalo's horn. This is a one kind of flute and traditional thing. What do the women wear? The women wear sari or blouse. Beside this, they wear thamis, sarong and engage. Most of the ethnic girl wear their cloth of their houses. Dear student, what are their kitchen utensils? The kitchen utensils are made of their own hand. Bamboo, wooden or wood and earthen. Their kitchen utensil. What is their staple food? Rice is their staple food and favorite food is bamboo root. Beside this, they eat vegetable, corn, honey, fish, meat, egg, etc. These are their food. Main food, rice. What is the jhum cultivation? Jhum cultivation is practiced among the ethnic people. First, they choose or clear a piece of land, and then prepare it for seeds, and then sow the seeds. In hill area or forest area, the ethnic people practice jhum cultivation. What language do the ethnic people use? Ethnic people use their special dialect or distinctive language. The language is Tibetan language. Another language also use, and when they speak at home, they use their mother tongue. Besides this, they learn Bangla and English. Mother tongue with Bangla and English. Mother tongue plus Bangla oblique English. Dear student, this is the WS question of this or about this ethnic people. Dear student, we went A column, B column and C column, and we write down the 5 sentences. At first we read it. A column, ethnic people, they. B column, verb, grow, are, have. And C column, its own dialect, mostly farmer, strongly rituals, extremely self-reliant, and their own food. Yes, we write down our matching sentence. Ethnic people are mostly farmer. Ethnic people are mostly farmer. Second sentence. Ethnic people grow their own food. Ethnic people grow their own food. The third, they have its own dialect. Its own dialect. 1 number, they have strongly rituals. They have rituals. And 5 number, they are extremely self-reliant. They are extremely self-reliant. Dear student, this is the 5 sentence. Already you have write down on your khata. Dear student, if you visit any ethnic people, you will must have gone to hill area, and you will see the practical situation, their Zoom contribution, their favorite item, their favorite pastime. You will observe in your own practical. These ethnic people are very self-reliant. They have grown their own food, their own everything. Most of the ethnic young group learn another English. They are very conscious about their characteristic, and they are the different from the mainstream. It is the most and interesting and fascinating subject. Hopefully, student, you will write a homework. Suppose you have gone a hill area and you will enjoy the ethnic group. What you see and what you enjoy, write a letter to your friend about the ethnic group. Homework, write a letter to your friend about the ethnic people. Dear student, practice makes a man perfect. If you learn anything from the ethnic group, you will go to the hill area and you will observe, celebrate, took part in your life. Suppose last year I visited Japan temple in Darjeeling area. From the 8,000 height, the sea level or ground level. So I took part in this function. I took a drum and say no, no, no. This is the pitch apart from both this. So just experience. If you connect or if you enjoy the experience, you will find and you will shine in life about the experience of ethnic people. Keep in peace, in sound and sound body. Hopefully I will meet next week, next day, next time. Okay, Allah Hafiz.